Hello, this is Arif Irfanullah and I am the lead instructor at IFT. In this brief clip, I'll give you a general overview of the Level 1 exam. The Level 1 exam has two 3-hour sessions. There is one 3-hour session in the morning, generally between 9 a.m. and noon, and then another session from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So overall, this is 6 hours. In each session, there will be 120 multiple choice questions. So overall, you will have 240 multiple choice questions. On average, you will have 90 seconds or 1.5 minutes per question. Now, obviously, some questions might take a little longer, others will be shorter, but on average, you have 1.5 minutes. You will be tested on these 10 topics, and each topic has a certain weightage. Ethics is 15% of the exam, quantitative methods is 10%, and so on. Now, with a total of 240 questions, 10% means that you will have 24 questions from quantitative methods, you will have 24 questions from economics, and so on. The two heavyweights here are ethics and financial reporting and analysis. So between these two topics, we cover 30% of the exam. While you have to do well on all the topics, but it's particularly important to do well on these two topics. Also, there is no multiple choice in this exam, which means that you need to prepare each and every topic shown over here. The Level 1 exam is conducted twice a year, once in June and then in December. The curriculum and the weightages remain the same for a given exam year. So the June 2019 exam and the December 2019 exam will have the same curriculum. Obviously, the exam itself will be different, but the underlying readings are the same. On this slide, I'll discuss what you get from Cfa Institute when you sign up for the exam. The first thing you get is the curriculum. This is the heart of the program. Some people study from the curriculum, other people use prep provider material, but prep provider material is based on the curriculum. Regardless of whether you use the curriculum directly or whether you use prep provider material, you should do all the practice questions provided in the curriculum. So in each reading, there will be examples. You should go over those examples. At the end of every reading, there will be practice problems. You should do those. And if you do these examples and practice problems, that will prepare you very well for the actual exam. The Cfa Institute also provides an interactive study planner. This helps you organize and schedule your studies. Some people find this planner useful, others do not. So I'd encourage you to actually look at this planner and then decide for yourself whether you find it useful. The Cfa Institute also provides practice questions and topic tests. These are on the Cfa Institute website. When you sign up, you get a username and password. You can use the username and password to log on, and then you will get access to these questions. These questions are organized by topic. So for each topic, there are several practice questions. Make sure that as you work your way through the curriculum, you also attempt these questions. They will help you prepare for the exam. In the final few months, the Cfa Institute makes available a few mock exams, and these are also extremely important practice. Before taking the actual exam, make sure you do the mock exams that are provided by the Cfa Institute. So that is it for this clip. In the next clip, I'll talk about how IFT can help you prepare for the Level 1 exam.